Assalamualaikum viewers and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to tell you about Amazon USA's smart home and artificial intelligence devices. First of all, we are going to tell you how those devices work. The devices act as switching and enabling devices. The processing and commanding device for the whole smart function is the smartphone, which is configured with Alexa program or app. Alexa app is basically the controller of the smart functions in the home or in a given network. The Alexa app is connected through the Wi-Fi to all of the other smart things available in the network, like the camera, the light bulbs, the smart plugs, the locks, the television, fans, doors, speakers, thermostat. All these things are connected to a single Wi-Fi connection, which is also available in the mobile phone, through which the Alexa app is controlling all these things. Those smart devices which we are going to introduce you today are the controlling or enabling devices, which means that these devices act upon the command received from the Alexa app, and then they give the command to the relevant smart switches to switch on or switch off anything. Amazon manufactures many smart devices like Amazon Echo Show series, Amazon Speaker series, the Fire TV Stick series, for which we have another video, and it is related to the Fire TV Stick, switches, plugs, add-ons, and miscellaneous devices. First of all, we are going to tell you about how those devices work or functions. They control home appliances through the smart switches. They can be used as intercom for inter-room communication. They can handle voice search and oral commands from distance. And you can listen music and videos on show devices. You can shop on Amazon website. You can connect the smartphone for switching purpose very easily. And also you can use those devices for hands-free voice calls. So these are the functions which the devices perform and for which they are used. I like to have the intercom function, like you call a person from one room to another room, and they are able to listen your voice, and they can reply from this device which is there nearby, and that's how the intercommunication system can be established within a home or a network. Let's talk about the Echo Show series. The newest and latest device is the Echo Show 15. It is a wall hanging device, the slimmest of the Show series, whereas Echo 10, 8 and 5 are bulky and heavy devices. The Echo Show 15 has a 15.6-inch display with 1920 and 180 resolution. It has a two 1.6 speakers, 5 MP front facing camera, and it is fixed in the wall with the ability to portrait and landscape orientation. It can be used for remote viewing. You can see the home when you are not at home, and it has a octa-core processor. All the Alexa smart home functions and routine with motion detection assistance are available in this device. You can play video calls, and can do every fun thing which can be done with any Echo devices. It is a newer device and a bit costly. It is for $250. The next device in this series is the 10-inch Echo Show 10. It has a very strong 13.0 megapixel auto framing front facing camera. The important thing and the most fun thing about the Echo Show 10 is that it moves while you are in call. If you move, it detects your movement detection, and it moves away from the screen, and it rotates with the person who is in the frame, or calling or video calling. That's a very great function to have, as you can see in the video. The next device in this series is Echo Show 8. It has an 8-inch screen, two small speakers, 13 megapixel front facing camera, and all the specification which are shown to you on the screen. It has a $130 price. The specification of Echo Show 5 are in front of you. It has a 5.5-inch screen, and all those Echo Show series are the second generation of their respective gen. Now we talk about the Echo Smart Speaker series. We have Echo Dot 3 for Echo Studio Smart Speaker, and the Fire TV Cube, which is a fusion of both Fire TV Stick and the Echo Dot speaker. The Echo Dot or Echo Speaker series, they are very famous for smart home functions and devices. First, talk about the Echo Dot 3 and 4 series. They are very small speakers, and the Echo Dot 4 is now available with the clock, and 1.6-inch speaker are built in the device. The Echo speaker is a bigger device, and it is used for where the heavy sound generation is required, and you can use the Echo speakers in single room, but you can also use two dots instead of one heavy Echo speaker, because the dots provide the same function. They have a 3.5mm audio output jack, which is very handy if you want to connect a heavy speaker in front of them. Now let's talk about the Echo Studio. It's a very big speaker. It has a big powerful 5.3-inch woofer, 2-inch mini speakers, and 1-inch tweeter for 3D sound production. It has a built-in Zigbee smart home hub, and all the speakers in the Echo series, the Show series, they can detect the alarm of smoke detector and the glass breakage in house. They will notify in your Alexa app if something like such emergency is happened. The Echo Studio has Dolby Atmos with automatic room adoption. Once the sound waves propagate out of the device, when they come back, it detects and it adjusts the volume output in accordance with the size of the room. Next, the device we want to talk about is the Fire TV Cube. It is the fusion of Fire TV 4K stick and Echo Dot smart speaker. It provides the cinematic 4K streaming, hands-free voice control for entertainment, 4K output, sets up quickly, and provides the both functions of 4K stick and Echo Dot smart speaker. It has a hexa-core CPU for the Echo function and 1.9 GPU for the 4K stick functions. 16GB storage, 2GB RAM, and second generation voice remote control are the other functions. Now let's talk about the other smart devices manufactured by Amazon. The Echo frames are frames in which you can fix the glasses as per your requirement. They have a smart speaker and a smart detection mic in the frame, which commands all the devices which are linked in a network. The next thing is Echo Auto. The Echo Auto functions same like Echo Dot speaker, but it is placed in the car and it connects with the car Wi-Fi or the car smart car's Bluetooth connections, and performs all the function of Echo smart speaker. Like you can say Echo open the door when you are near the home, and you have an automatic opening doors for the home, and the car when reaches in front of your house, the door opens out and you can go inside your home. The smart plug is a device which can be used to convert any home appliance into a smart appliance. It fits in the power plug and the socket of your home and can be commanded through the Alexa app whenever you are not home or you are at home from your mobile phone's voice or physical commands. The next device which we are going to discuss is the Chamberlain Q garage door opener. This is a small device made in India, and it is a very handy device when you use it for opening the garage door with the connection of Echo Auto. When you come near the door and just say open the door, the device will open the garage door and you can go inside your home. The delivery smart key function can also be achieved with the help of this device, where you can give a key to your delivery man and it can open and place your stuff into the garage. Now we would like to talk about the Amazon Astro, newly introduced so-called robot. Although Amazon claim it as a robot, but many people say that it is actually the camera on wheels, or you can say the Echo Show 10 on wheels. It will perform many functions including the monitoring of the home, following a person when they ordered, and can deliver small stuff from one room to another room, and can deliver messages or can monitor home with many functions. We will do a separate video with the functions of this Astro robot. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.